throughout the day now more?
What's that?
You guys mostly in McNeilus throughout the day now, or?
Just depends. Depends on what happens.
You guys been in 76 since they remounted it?
No.
Wanted to get some back here because my new camera's not shooting with crap. Wanted to get some back here. My new camera's not shooting with crap. What type of truck do you guys usually get after this one?
Same kind.
McNeilus?
Yeah. We'll probably get 685.
The one that you guys had last week?
Yep.
What's this one?
88.
88? Did they get that remount of 76 done?
Yeah.
I thought I had seen it.
They put it on